Hey, we're here in Beamsville on a quiet, dead-end street, and behind me is a beautiful raised bungalow with an in-law suite with separate entrance. I'm Wes Skilstra from the Wayne Skilstra team of Remax Escarpment, and welcome to 4935 Hickory Lane. This is an amazing opportunity for multi-generational living, a first-time buyer, or an investor. If you would like more information, just call, text, or email me anytime.